In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. If you want to try something different on your Samsung, go into Play Store and download free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. This app is one of my favorite ones because you can create multiple wallpapers in one app. To do that, open it, and if you want to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then hit consent in the pop-up. And to create perfect Magic Fluids wallpaper, hit this gear at the top left corner and try one of those presets by clicking on the best one. Or tap on any preset and adjust it thanks to all of those options. My favorite is this one. When you finished adjusting all of those settings however you want to, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide when by clicking on one of those options. When you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!